So, hey, can I do something, Bonnie? Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. This is my chance to finally get revenge on Chica for smacking me in the face for touching her pizza. Step on a crack and you break your mama's back. Ah! Oh, my spine! Fudge! Ah! Oh my gosh! Stop playing, Foxy! That means what the heck? Step on the line and you break your father's spine. Oh, fudge, I'm going to die. Hey, guys, I came back from the... Oh, my spine! Oh, fudge! What? I was doing... Bonnie, you did something to me as well, but... Freddy, I didn't mean to do that to you. Wait a second. Chica, are you cheating on Bonnie? Wait a sec. Chica, we're over. But I'm pregnant! That was a fake video, remember? That was a fake video. But we're over. We're not continuing that pregnancy anymore. We're over, Chica. You can go play with Fox, Freddy, Bam, Googly. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Plus, Freddy forced me to kiss you. I mean, him. Wait. Yeah. Freddy? Wait, no. Up there. Ah! Come on, Chica, let's go. Wait!